Hello there. How does excess weight impact your love life and erections? And what are the secrets for turning the tide in your favor? We have the inside scoop. Tune in to discover how to knock out ED and kick obesity to the curb. Hi, I'm Dr. Gil. On this show, I help busy professionals use the latest medical breakthroughs in anti-aging medicine so they can improve their health, lose weight, and boost their sexual life. If this resonates with you, click follow or subscribe so you never miss an episode. Obesity and erectile dysfunction can often go hand in hand, and here's why. Picture this, my friends. Obesity and erectile dysfunction teaming up for an unwanted adventure. But hey, let's break it down in a way that will make you chuckle. First off, excess weight isn't just baggage for your belly. It can lead to some uninvited guests like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. These troublemakers can wreak havoc on your blood vessels, causing a serious traffic jam on the road to your manhood. Number two, let's talk about the sedentary lifestyle that often goes hand in hand with obesity. We're talking couch potato syndrome. That belly fat not only brings unwanted pounds to the party, but it also has a way of cramping your style when it comes to sexual stamina. You will not even finish round one without running out of steam. Round one is more like round done before it even gets started. Just imagine the disappointments when you can't keep up the pace. Number three, obesity loves to mess with your hormones, playing a sneaky game with testosterone. It's like a villain converting testosterone into estrogen, throwing your hormonal balance off track. Number four, let's not forget the psychological side of things. The big O, obesity that is, can bring its friends. Body image concern, low self-esteem, and even a sprinkle of depression to the party. Talk about a confidence killer that can make even Superman feel like a shrinking violet. Here's a kicker. Not every obese person will face ED. But for our awesome dude out there who is on a mission to conquer erectile dysfunction and obesity, here are 5 killer strategies that will help you reclaim your sexual vitality. So listen up. First thing first, it's time to wave goodbye to the junk food jungle and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Fuel your body with a balanced diet that nourishes your soul and helps you shed those extra pounds. Remember, you are what you eat, so choose wisely. Number 2, let's shake that booty and get moving. Regular exercise is the superhero you need to get those blood vessels pumping and promote a healthy flow of blood down there. Whether it's hitting the gym, dancing like nobody's watching, or exploring outdoor adventures, find an activity that makes your endorphins pumping. Number 3, alcohol, the sneaky saboteur. While a drink or two can be enjoyable, excess alcohol can cause weight gain and mess with your mojo. So let's sip reasonably and keep those liquid calories in check. Trust me, your body and your performance will thank you for it. Number 4, alright, let's talk about the hormone hassle when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. There are like the ringmaster deciding whether you're gonna drop or gain weight. So here's the deal. If you want to be the boss of your body, you gotta wrangle those hormones into shape. And the stars of the show, your testosterone, your thyroid hormones, and your GLP-1 hormones, like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro. Think of them as your weight loss buddies. So whether you're aiming to drop a few or done with your dream weight, it's all about giving those hormones a pep talk and turning your body into a well-oiled weight loss machine. Last but not least, let's tackle the psychological hurdles. Whether it's stress, anxiety, or self-doubt, these roadblocks can mess with your mojo. Seek support, talk it out, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, you're not alone in this battle, my friend. Finally, remember, laughter is the best medicine, and a positive outlook can make all the difference. So let's give obesity a run for its money and show Edie who's boss. So, to all courageous warriors out there, it's time to answer the bell and step into the ring. Let's kick obesity and Edie to the curb with these badass strategic approaches. Take charge of your sexual health. The victory is within your reach. Now go claim it. Thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Gil. I'm here to help you thrive and overcome your health obstacles.